Hi, this is Jeannie from Giroux Tree and Lawn, and I'm out here today doing a different kind of video. I wanted to share a problem that I have that I'm sure a lot of our Giroux viewers and customers have. I found sap on my car. It's not the fanciest car, but it is my car and it's special to me. I am trying to keep it looking as nice as I can. I really wanted to find an easy way to take the sap off of my car. I looked up some ideas online, and there were some that involved paint thinners, and I didn't want to risk doing damage to the surface of my car. I came across an article that said that I could remove the sap from my car with ice. I also read another article that said that I could remove it with cooking spray. I am a little skeptical, but I thought, what the heck, I'd go ahead and give it a try anyway. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is what the sap looks like. You can tell that it's sap because it has that piney smell, it's sticky. I gotta say, it is doing the trick here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so for the last little bit, I am just taking like the edge of the ice here, and I'm rubbing it on the sap. I can hear it. You can see as I wipe it away that the sap is chipping right off. Okay, so I am actually very impressed. I've gotten most of the sap off with the ice technique, and so now I'm going to try some cooking spray. So the instructions were to spray it on and let it soak. Okay, so I've let it soak for a few minutes, and I am giving it a wipe here. I am pretty impressed. There seems to be no sign whatsoever of the sap on my car. So I gotta say, the old girl looks pretty nice. While finding a safe and effective solution for getting the sap off of my car was helpful, I wondered, what other measures could I take to prevent this from happening again in the future? For the answer to that question, I turned to one of Giroux Tree and Lawn's seasoned experts, Drew Slowski.
Drew Slowski, Vice President and Certified Arborist at Giroux Tree and Lawn. Here at the property today in beautiful Huntington Valley. Sap will mainly come from pines, anything in the pine family, white pines, Austrian pines, doesn't matter. Also spruce trees, they have a lot of resin in them. Douglas firs can bleed, but they usually don't tend to bleed as much, but everybody gets annoyed when they get sap on their deck of their car. It's tough to get off. When it sits there for a while, it's almost like glue. It gets as hard as a rock. When you're trimming and you're trimming around something that you don't want to bleed on, make sure you do the trimming back so it's not in the overhang of whatever you don't want the sap to get on. Whether it be a car parking in the driveway, try to, and do it on a regular basis, keep it a foot or two away from the driveway, bearing in mind that for a couple months it is going to bleed before it finally heals over and seals up. So if the wind's blowing in a direction and it's small drips, it could still blow onto the car. This is a Norway spruce. It's right, you can see it's right to the edge of the driveway. If I were trimming this back, I would try to go back a foot or two and taper it all the way up so that it's not hanging over the driveway and less issues with the sap. And if you're not sure, just call your Giroux certified arborist. The estimates are free, and we can come out and take a look and advise what to do. Thank you.
Well, there you have it. Proper pruning on a regular basis will keep the sap off of your hardscapes and your car. Now, I'm going to take this baby out for a proper cleaning. I think she deserves it after all that she's been through.